In this video, I'm going to show you how to read viola music, which is known as the alto clef. I'll also show you the basic finger patterns you'll need when you're starting out for all the notes in first position on the viola. So first of all, it's important to understand that in music we use the alphabet letters A, B, C, D, E, F and G. After G, we continue with A, B, C, D, etc. So these notes are climbing upwards, A, B, C, D, going up in sound or pitch. And when we come backwards, we need to make sure that we say the alphabet names backwards, D, C, B, A, etc. We then need to understand that in music we use these 5 lines that I've just crossed over. This is called the staff, also known as the stave. So we always count these lines from the bottom going up to the top, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We then need a clef. So for viola we are going to use alto clef. That has these 2 lines and then this funky little shape. The middle of this actually crosses our very middle line, and we call this note middle C. This doesn't really mean much to you when you're starting out, but it will be helpful to know this later on. So then the alto clef sits right at the start of the line of the staff on each line of music, and the middle line sits right in the middle of the clef, that being your middle C. So going through each string, we'll talk through each of the notes, starting with our open C string. So open is represented by a 0, and the finger numbers are always written above the notes. Then we have our first finger to play D, second plays E, then F and G with third finger and fourth finger. So please note that this G with our fourth finger is the exact same G that we make with our open G string. That's no fingers on the G string. So then we'll continue to climb up on the G string with first finger playing A. Like I said before, the alphabet just continues up after G back to A. Climbing up A, B, C, D with open first finger, second finger, third finger and fourth finger making D. That fourth finger on the G string making D will then of course be the same as our open D string. We then continue climbing up on our D string with E, F sharp, G and A with first finger, second finger, third finger and fourth finger. The fourth finger A of course now being the same as our open A string. Continuing up from A with first, second, third and fourth on the A string making B, C sharp, D and E. If you're getting value out of this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. So I'm going to show you all the notes in the first position, but only for our first basic hand pattern, which I call the M shape. So we don't count our thumb. We have our first finger, second finger, third finger, and fourth finger. Our middle 2 fingers are together, so I call this shape M. So on the C string, we're going to put our first finger not right down here, but up a little bit, and we have D, then a space or a tone to E, F and G. Now this G with our fourth finger is the same as your open G string. We can then climb up on the G string with first finger playing A, space to B, together for C and a space or a tone to D. This fourth finger D being of course the same as our open D string, climbing up on the D, E, F sharp, G and A. And on the A string, A, then B is first finger, C sharp is second finger, D and fourth finger plays E. Thanks so much for joining me here today. I hope you enjoyed that video and got a lot out of it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join me next time. New videos come out every Friday.